Boy, this that LAC 07. Everything in here. Windows roll down. Windows roll down. You see they roll up and down. All of them do. Just so you can see. So you can see. The windows rolling up and down on the window right here. Okay. Check engine light on. Misfiring on 246A cylinders. Traction control is off. I mean, shit ain't overheating. We got 13316. Again. Some little air tire sensors. Little thing on this door right here. Driver told my man did something. I don't know what he did. 2 scratches. In the doors, just a little bit. Car about working. Here it's misfiring, so I just cammed up. Just squeak a little bit. Try to get up under the hood real fast. Man's working on the car. Car still cranking. Just pinching and squeaking a little bit. That's it. Change the power steering pump, tension up, power steering pump, radiator, thermostat, coolant pressure tested. It ain't even solidly hard. Like back pressure, everything like that. I don't know. I had to replace the radiator before, and I guess it was just a little bit too late. But now it don't even overheat, so I'm saying I don't know. Might just need some head gas and sealant. Do whatever you're gonna do to it. Hey, that windshield kind of cracked. Right up there. Go down there. Now some. Hey, car clean though. See the reflections, man. Used to be buff. This is a buff only car. Car straight, man. Got a few scratches right here. Trying to jump on the car. So, hey, it's on there though.